You know how fast he's gonna be? You should at least put a face mask on. Like one of those face shields, safety glasses. I like your eyes. Oh wait, it opens? No! Oh my gosh. What? No. Oh my gosh, I'm shaking. Get your face away! Golly. This thing's gonna poke your eyeballs. Thatcher, get it! Teddy and Thatcher, get away! Dan, there's no way you're clamping that thing. Y'all get away, boys! Get away, boy! Teddy! Get away! Get away! Oh my gosh, it's going up the tree! It's going down. Get down, get down. Oh my gosh. Teddy, stay over here.
Go on the tree.